Welcome to the Info POCO C40, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and after that here in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. Now we should get this application, that's why just tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds after this application downloading, then installing on your device. Now just we should click here on the right down corner to open the app. Click here yes I agree, tap to close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now we can see here the information about our device battery health, and in my case that is good. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, temperature, capacity, device voltage, Android version, the model of our device, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.